Welcome to the Pink City. Jaipur is a sensory explosion, a chaotic symphony of color and life. The Hawa Mahal, or Palace of Winds, stands as a delicate honeycomb of pink sandstone. Walking through the bazaars, the air is thick with the scent of spices and the vibrant hues of Rajasthani textiles. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. High on the hill, the amber walls of Amer Fort watch over the arid landscape. Inside, the Sheesh Mahal reflects 1,000 tiny universes in its mirror-encrusted walls. In the middle of Mansagar Lake, the Jal Mahal floats like a mirage, serene and silent. The city palace reveals the royal grandeur of the past, with gates that celebrate the seasons. Nearby, the Jantar Mantar measures time and space with colossal geometric precision. But the soul of Jaipur is on the streets. The sizzle of kachoris frying is an irresistible call. Early mornings at the market are a burst of colors and scents. History walks alongside you here, slow and majestic. Craftsmanship is in the city's DNA, from blue pottery to gem cutting. The people, with their warm smiles and vibrant turbans, carry the stories of this land. The Albert Hall Museum stands as a testament to Indo-Saracenic architecture, surrounded by a flurry of wings. From the ramparts of Nahargarh, the city spreads out like a map of history. Getting lost in these narrow pink lanes is the best way to find the city's rhythm. Hidden away, the Galta Ji temple offers a spiritual retreat amidst the hills. As evening falls, the music starts, and the desert comes alive with dance. The pink city glows warm under the streetlights, the energy never fading. A city of royals, artisans, and dreamers. Every archway frames a new perspective, a new shade of pink. Jaipur leaves a mark on you, a vibrant memory that lingers long after you leave. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.